for smaller channels like me and you, we can now monetize our channel with just 500 subscribers. Who does that? With 500 subscribers now, you can now monetize your channel and be earning on your own. Should you start your own YouTube channel this 2024? Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the opportunity that this year have in stock for us. Even though it's August already, you can still start your own YouTube channel right this moment, right after watching this video. Well, let me tell you why you should start your own YouTube channel this 2024 and why this 2024 is a perfect time and it's a perfect record to hit now and to start your own YouTube journey from fresh trend to monetization options. There are so many reasons, a lot of reasons you should start your own YouTube channel this 2024. And this 2024 can be a breakout year for both me and you. So stick around because I'm going to be giving you the top reasons why now is the right time to start your own YouTube channel. Come back before we proceed. My name is Ekene Michael, by the way. So if you are just joining this YouTube channel today, thank you. Do make sure you watch to the end of this video and click that subscribe button. Let's get to it. So here are some top 7 reasons why now is the best time to start your own YouTube channel. So number 1 is new trends and niches. So in 2024, 2024 is bringing in hot new trends and updated niches. Like you can get in early. I know it's not much of early now, but you can still get in and you could be the next thing. So some of the examples of those niches, examples like how you can use AI to write scripts, to do this, do that, that's what is raining now, lifestyle, technology, sustainable niches, something that you do and something that you do in your everyday lives. So number 2 is easier growth. In this 2024, the YouTube algorithm is now favorable to new channels now than ever before. So you have to shoot your shots now. Shoot your shot now because this 2024 YouTube algorithm are actually pushing out small channels like my channel, your channel. YouTube algorithm are now pushing it out for more people to start viewing it. And examples like YouTube Shorts, the popularity of YouTube Shorts now are massive. And collaboration challenge, all those challenges you see on Facebook, example like Ogechi challenge. Number 3 is monetization option. Can you believe it? Now YouTube has now introduced a lot of way now to monetize your video. It has also improved their way of making money for smaller channels. For smaller channels like me and you, we can now monetize our channel with just 500 subscribers. Who does that? With 500 subscribers now, you can now monetize your channel and be earning on your own. How massive is that? So that's why this 2024 is one of the best years for you to start your own YouTube journey now. And the monetization option, they include YouTube shopping. 2024 seems more to trigger those shopping pushes on YouTube, creating content that incorporates product reviews, like people that promote their products. When you are monetized, you will see where they say you can put your product. Like most of you have seen those shots that when you are viewing it, you will see something like product, like a bag, something like that below the shot. So these are more things that drag your audience to come and patronize you. And also product reviews, you can also go live sections can also boost your revenue. For example, live unboxing, just like, let me just say you bought this ring light and you are doing unboxing of it. When you just go live, boom. See, 2024 is one of the best years to start your own YouTube. career. So number 4 is creative tools. When you open your YouTube now, you can see so many creative tools. The platform has now added new friendly and editing tools now and features that will make it more easier to create high quality content. How good is that? When you just open your YouTube studio, you can see edit, you can see add music, you can see a lot of things that YouTube have made available now in this 2024. That's why you should not snooze. If you snooze, you lose. So the creative tools include a lot. Examples are AI assisting editing. When you open your YouTube, you can see where is added new tools. You can see AI will help you and edit your title. AI will help you and edit your thumbnail. AI will help you and put your tags. Almost everything now AI can help you and do on YouTube. So it's getting more easier and easier now. So that's why you should start your own YouTube channel this 2024. Number 5 is supportive community. For example, YouTube now is now more supportive than ever before. With countless resources and forms, you will now have every step. Like, for example, now, this supportive community means now, for example, now, as you're watching this video now, and I will now say, please, if you have anything to comment it on the comment section. If you want me to do video on any other topic, comment it on the comment section. This is what is basically mean for supportive community. That means your communities are not giving you the idea of a video to do, or the video they want you to do, they want to watch from you. That means it solves a lot of problems, like brainstorming ideas that you are not even guaranteed that they are going to view it. So this is why 2024 is still one of the best to start yours. So number 6 is personal branding. For example, 2024 now is all about personal branding. So start now and you will build a brand that could amuse and amaze the community. For example, now you see I'm building my own brand, storytelling, tutorials, why this, why that, my YouTube journey, my YouTube this, my YouTube that. I know that all of you have seen something like that, like how much YouTube pay me for this, how much YouTube pay me for that. You guys have seen a lot of it. So don't lose. Your small does not mean that you will not grow tomorrow. Get? And number 7th reasons why you should start your own YouTube journey this 2024 is for fun and fulfillment. Yes, like as I'm doing this video right now, I'm having fun. Starting a YouTube channel is not just about the fame or about the money. So it's about having fun. Like you're having fun, you enjoy doing what you are doing. That's what YouTube wants, because once you're having fun with what you are doing, you will see people that likes what you are doing. That's why this number 7, fun and fulfillment, is one of the most crucial, because once you enjoy what you do, you will get people that enjoy what you do, and community that enjoy what you do. It's not just like you will be doing what you will be doing what you are not. Get? Just like me now trying to teach somebody physics. That would be very funny. So in conclusion, I want to tell you that starting your YouTube channel this 2024 is a good idea for you to start your own YouTube channel. I know it's not easy, but this 2024 YouTube algorithm is now pushing small channel to reach more audiences. So if you're enjoying this video, kindly give a thumbs up, smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.